Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video we're going to be doing a home bargain and Poundland haul. We haven't done one of these for so long. Sorry for my absence as well. But without further ado, let's just jump straight in. So I went off to Home Bargains, picked up a few bits and pieces, went to Poundland too. So the first thing that I got from Home Bargains was these lovely hot cross buns. Actually I had a look at these. These are quite good because they're only 156 calories per bun, and I'm going to have one just after we've done this filming, so I got those. I picked up a Robert's loaf as well. They do bread in Home Bargains, whether you're aware or not. Yeah, I think that was £1. I have eaten these, but I am getting ready to go on my holiday to Mexico. I'm trying to be exceptionally good. These are really good. They're the slim fast ones. They were 50 pence. I think they're like 69 pence. I think in like Boots or... But in Home Bargain you can get them way cheaper, so they're like 50 pence a bag. They're only 99 calories, which is amazing. I've actually, as you can see, I've eaten them once already, but yeah, they were good. Again, I picked Sam up some crumpets as well. He likes those. So I also picked up some of these white bats as well. These are the large white ones by Sheldon's. These again were 99 pence. Right, I did pick up some Tupperware. I did have glass Tupperware until he has broken so many of those boxes right now. I refuse to get glass again. I don't know if you remember one of my last hauls. I had to buy new like tumblers because she broke those, so we're going back to plastic. These are $1.99 for a 3-pack. They're actually 1 litre, so I got some with the sort of red covers, and I got a pack as well with blue covers. So yeah, $1.99. I thought that was pretty good, to be honest. Quite cheap really for a pack of 3. And these were $1.99 as well. These are slightly smaller. These are really good if you want to put porridge in them, or if you want to pre-prepare your breakfast. Like you can put, my friend at work, she literally puts 2 Weetabix in there and takes it to work, and all you have to do is add your milk of choice. But they're really handy as well. They come with the little purple lid. These were $1.99. Handy, like I said before, like smaller snacks and sort of breakfast ideas as well. I picked up another pack of wipes. I think these were 59 pence. And normally I go for them massive ones for 99 pence, but I didn't spot them. I only spotted these ones, so I thought I'd get those. They have some really nice things in the garden sort of section, so I picked up another 4 of these. I got these years ago. They're still hanging on the tree actually, and they've gone now, to be fair. They no longer light up, but they're only 99 pence. I did buy all the clear ones. You can get like green ones and pink ones as well, but I just picked up clear ones. But mine ended up filled with water after a few years, so I'm going to replace them with these ones. They are like plastic, so yeah, I'm going to be hanging them on the tree, taking the other ones down. So I got 4 of those. Right, for 99 pence as well, I picked up a fairy liquid. This is the Clean and Fresh with pomegranate and honeysuckle, so I got 1 of those. These were $2.49. These are the iLaw 117. 117 is my go-to sort of fake lash if you're interested. I just love how they sort of sweep out at the edges. Normally I have to trim them a little bit on the inner side there because my eye isn't as big as the lash, and they kind of fit a little bit better if I just nip it a little bit off. But I just love them. I think they just look really sort of natural. I say natural, they're quite big, but then I like how they sort of taper up because it's really helpful to sort of help your eye sort of sweep upwards. I'm getting a little bit older, so just to have that sweeping upwards is quite useful. Yeah, and it just does make you feel and look a little bit better. So yeah, I got those. Right guys, this was 89 pence. I did pick up this. I've been really into the sort of mouthwash at the moment. I just think it helps sort of keep your mouth clean, if you know what I mean. So I got this one by Wisdom, and it's in the, I think it's cool mint scented. So yeah, it does say that it's new. Yeah, so it's an absolute bargain for like 89 pence. Right, Sam's been doing loads of working out, so I thought I would pick up some ready to drink sort of like shakes. These were 99 pence. You get 25 grams of protein. They are the USN ones. So I got him 1 in strawberry and 1 in vanilla. I think they're a little bit like a milkshake. Yeah, with extra protein for bodybuilding. So yeah, he'll be really happy with those. Now these are all £1.19. Again, these are like the sort of protein bars. These have like 20 grams of protein. So I got the Battle Bites caramel pretzel. That was $1.19. Then I got the Dynabar one there, which I think is chocolate caramel flavour. And then this Battle Bite sticky toffee pudding one as well. Again, they've all got 20 grams of protein, which is a lot. Right, so for £1.99 I did pick up the Finish Quantum Ultimate. Now you only actually get 10 in here for £1.99. They normally have a different one, which I think you get more in. I can't remember, to be honest, but they literally only had this one left apart from the really big pack. So I generally only go for small packs at a time. So yeah, £1.99 for that. For £1.19 as well, I picked up 2 lots of these Refuge Sacks. These are really good. They're only a 10 pack, but they're quite thick and strong. So these are my kind of go-to, if you know what I mean. So I get these all the time. These were 2 for £1.80. So it is the Alberto Balsam in the Juicy Apple flavour. This is for Sam. He wants some shampoo and conditioner for his bathroom. So yeah, I got him those. This was £1.49. This is for one of our cars. We've got one that's, I think, was previously owned by someone that had a dog, and it's very doggy even after we've had it now for over 6 months, and it is still quite doggy. So I'm going to hang a air freshener in there to try and mask the smell a little bit. Dog smell is really difficult to get rid of. If anybody knows how to get rid of dog smell, please leave me a comment below. We've had it valeted, we've had it cleaned, and there's still a smell of dog in there. So if you can let me know, that would be brilliant. Right, for 89p I picked up some squashes for Sam. Yeah, he still likes his sweets. Oh, I got these as well. These are the 10 grams of protein. These are the PH, let me just see if it focuses. These are the 10 grams of protein. These are the PhD Smart Bar. So these are kind of like a protein bar as well. They look a little bit smaller. They're only 10 grams. These ones were only 99p. So I got that one. And I also got this one, which is white chocolate blend as well. So I got that too. I also picked up these baked cheddar. These again were only 50p. Baked cheddar bites. For myself as well, I think, I'm not sure how much this was. This one was 79p. So I got this wafer for myself, which is pretty good for, it's quite a large wafer, which is quite good. I did pick up some hairdressing scissors. I do cut my mum's hair when I go down, so she always just uses ordinary scissors. So I picked these ones up. I think they were £1.99, James London ones. So I got those. So I did pick up some paracetamol. These were 59p each because they are the caplet type, which I prefer. I think the other ones kind of like sort of stick a little bit in your mouth and can be a little bit horrible. That's everything from Home Bargains today. Let's move on to Poundland. Right, for £1 I actually picked up another one of these, Astonish. Love the bottle. This one's linen fresh. I have tried it out. It's absolutely amazing. Smells lovely. So yeah, I got that. Right, for £1 as well, I did actually try Poundland's own toilet blocks. Yeah, I thought I'd give them a go. You get 6 in a pack, so I thought that would be pretty good. I also picked up some plants or some bulbs, should I say. So I got these ones. These are 2 red poppy ones, and I also picked up a pack of begonia ones as well. They were only £1 each, so they had a different array of stuff if you're interested. Now for 50p towards the checkout, I did pick up some of these. Again, they're only literally like 100 calories. Oh, that one's 150 calories. This one, because I think it's got nuts in it, is probably about the same. Yeah, 150 calories for that one. Then they do like the Whitworth shots as well, with toffee and pecan. Again, these were all 50p. This one was amazing. This one was 98 calories. I can recommend completely. As you can see, I ate it on the way home, but it was really, really nice. The white chocolate pieces were lovely. So yeah, that one was lovely as well. I did pick up Sam a pack of Fizzy Pencils by Vimto for £1. I got Sam some deodorant as well for £1. Now these were £1 each. Now I actually tried these in the garage. I got them from a garage about a week ago. They were amazing. So it's literally called Wow Hydrate, and what you do is you just push the little button at the top there, and it puts some sort of electrolytes in the water. You can see it go in, and then you sort of shake it to activate, which is really funky. So I got this one in the flavour lemon and lime, and then I also got this one. I think the one I tried last week was like a raspberry flavour. This one's orange as well, so I did get those two. It's like water, but then you put a sort of electrolytes in it, which is really good. It kind of tastes a bit like sherbety, like a sherbety water. It is quite sweet, but I don't think there's sugar in them. I can really recommend them, by the way. Now for £1 as well, I did pick up an Incent Holder. That was £1. And then I also picked up some incense as well. So I thought I would pick up these ones in patchouli, which are really nice in patchouli scent. And then these ones as well. These are like sandalwood scented. So I thought I would give those a go and have a little burn of those, see what they're like. From there as well, I did pick up a 2-pack of Pepsi Max. These are usually 2 for £1, and then for £1 as well I did pick up another Pearl and Beauty by Nivea. So yeah, not a massive haul from Poundland, but overall a big haul. Anyway, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. See you guys, bye.